Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a quick one. I'm just going to be talking about my baby's care routine, beauty product. Yes, beauty product that I specifically made for my baby before her arrival. I didn't want to get any market product, not like there are no good ones out there, but I always believe that for a product to stay long on the shelves, most of the time there's a lot of antioxidants that have been added to them, and yeah, my baby can actually use those ones while they are more matured, but while they are still very tender, I need them to use the most tender products, free of natural, just as natural as possible, with natural ingredients, not organic ingredient now, but natural ingredients. Because when I say organic, I am not saying I want to beat some butters and all that. No, natural ingredients. And now as a formulator, I already understand this thing. I understand that, okay, the babies, I will try and mimic most of this type of product, but in a safe way without overloading them with too much antioxidants, preservatives, and a whole lot of, those shenanigans. So here I have my baby's product, and I am going to just show you them one by one. And not just that, I'm going to be leaving their recipes free of charge for you on my cosmetic channel. Yes, I'm going to be leaving that for you free of charge. I have all their formulas. Let me show you all that I have here before we proceed. So first, here's the shower gel. I know I've used a little, but I made extra. So yeah, I made some extra. I still have another bottle just in case, because I know that once it's postpartum season, I may not be able to go to my lab to make any product. So this is a shower gel, and it's a head to toe shower gel, and it's so nice. Fragrance free. I made sure it was fragrance free because the baby does not need any products with fragrance right now. And I also made it with very simple ingredients. I'll drop the link for you in the description box. So this is a head to toe shower gel. It can be used, in fact, I basically used this too in the hospital while we're not discharged yet. Everybody can use this, baby can use this. And if you see, there was no color added. It's just so there, so natural. I'm very thoughtful. So yeah, this is the shower gel. Next, I had a moisturizer. I made this moisturizer with a simple and friendly ingredient. There was nothing much. It contained goat milk, and it's very lightweight, not heavy. It's also it leaves this shine on the skin. So it leaves this shine on the skin. Very lightweight lotion. See how it is, very lightweight, and it leaves an immediate shine on the skin. And funny enough, this lotion can be used by both babies and adults. And this was also packed with lavender, so there was no fragrance, but it smells really nice. It contains lavender hydrosol, original lavender hydrosol, and lavender essential oil, original lavender essential oil, because it's my baby and I'm not joking with the ingredient I'm using for this product. It smells absolutely beautiful. Like, I just wish you could come and smell this product by yourself. Now the next product I made was the baby powder. The next product I made is the baby powder, and I got this refill bottle. I made the powder. I made this powder with kaolin clay, talc, and all that. It's so natural, and I preferred it to the store-bought powder that I have always bought. Guess what? If you know the likes of Cousin Baby powder, this is exactly how it smells. It smells so good. Yes, it smells so good. I would not exaggerate. This smells so good, and because of that, I'm going to have some samples of this whole set, just in case of those who would actually want something like this, so that I'm not exaggerating. If you actually want something like this for your baby, or for your kids, or for your your upcoming baby and all that, probably I will find a way. I don't know how I'm going to do it because I don't have any brand, and I am not planning to have anyone, but I am trying to see how I can get this set for people, because it was too nice. It's just too nice for me alone to use. So I am going to find a way to get this set into the market. I don't know which platform I'm going to use now, but whatever it is, I'm going to definitely leave the information in the description box, and also the formulas I'm also going to leave them in the description box. It is not going to be a hidden one. They are not going to be on this channel, so there's no need to find them on this channel. It will redirect you to my second channel, but the link is going to be in the description box, right? But for those of you who cannot make it, it's okay. I will look for a way where you can purchase the whole set. Okay, so this is the baby powder. Very nice. And the baby does not have to use powder immediately, so I just made this small one because before the baby will start using this should be around maybe 3 months and so on and so forth. So maybe when it gets used to, by that time I should have been able to start going to the lab, and then I can make more. But this, it was too good. And it's not just the random tag thing. There's a lantoin and all that. It is simple, but yet very, very thoughtful, because it's my baby girl for that matter. Yeah. The next product I made is the baby oil. Now, your normal baby oil now, your peers baby oil, your cousin baby oil, and all that. This is a replica of it. It does not contain too much. Just, it contains few of the ingredient that is necessary. Okay, and trust me, most of the market products you buy, they are not even more than all of these very simple ingredients put together to make products. So yeah, I made this baby head to toe baby oil. It can be used for their hair. It can also be used for their skin after the lotion to create a shine or whatever. I am not a fan of oils like that. That is why you see that it's even still full, and the baby use most of the lotion most of the time. This is also very unscented, but it's nice. As you can see, it's very nice. Okay, it's very nice, and it leaves your baby with that shine, the hair and all that. It's mostly enriched with coconut oil. I don't joke with that. So that's for my baby oil. The next product that was made is my baby face toner. I know you're going to say face toner. Yes, I made a face mist with a combination of different hydrosols, different, good quality hydrosols. Trust my supplier. All the details are in the description box. Now, I made this face toner for my baby. It does not contain anything serious, but it contains essential ingredients that, that works for soothing inflammation after the whole cry, after the whole people carrying the child, after the face is exposed to a whole lot. I just dab a little into some cotton pads and dab my baby's face, because she needs to keep that pretty face. Baby of a formulator, what do you think? She has to, she has to. So she has this face mist. Funny enough, this face mist can be used by everybody, but it was specially prepared for baby because it is so skin friendly. I have used this face toner, something related to this, before now, and it was absolutely beautiful. A lot of people do not understand that inflammation is one of their biggest problems when it comes to skincare. That is why they need a face mist. All you just need is, on a hot day like this, after the sun, just mist your face, and oh, this mist is good. The smell, yet no fragrance. This mist is good, guys. I love it. Even if my baby does not use it, because grandma is not even, I don't know, she doesn't want to use all this. It's still okay. I will use it. Another product that was made is this baby balm. Now, this formula I don't have this formula on the channel, and that's because my students actually made this in class during some the skincare session this year, and I believe if any of them are watching this video, they can attest to it. I will not take the glory. I didn't make this on my channel, not like I am not able to make it, but I just didn't want that stress, because this worked a whole lot. My student made this, and I took one for my son when he had rashes on his butt, and in 2 days the whole rashes cleared off. That's why it's like halfway gone. So I kept this remaining one and said I was just going to keep it for my baby. I don't want to, because this looked really simple, but a lot went into this. A lot. It's simple though, but a lot. There were infusions that were made, plant infusions. There were, there was a lot. Sulfur is inside this thing, and yet it smells really nice, and the color will not even let you know that there's something like that inside. You won't even know there are herbal stuffs inside this product, right? You won't even know that there are herbs inside because of the way it appeared. That's to tell you that at our academy, we make products. We don't just make products, we make products. This was good. It's a good one. And After my baby was born 2 days back, yeah, because I had my baby 2 days back from making this video. I don't know when I'm going to upload this video, but I gave birth 2 days back from the time I'm making this video. When the nurse asked for Vaseline for the baby butts, I brought this out and I said I made it, and she was like, she just looked at me, and then when she smelled it, she said, it smells so good. She said, what did I used to smell? I said, it's my job, it's something I do. So she tried it on the baby and was like, this is so good though, I need it. I was like, that's to tell you that it was actually good. Last but not the least, we have our perfume spray. Now you ask me, does the baby actually need a perfume? Is it not toxic? Because that's the first word I heard. Now this is not toxic. I made it. There is no alcohol. This is 100% water-based. No single alcohol in this. Guess what too? There are no fragrance in this. Yes, I know it's a perfume spray, but there are no fragrance at all. There are no alcohol too. This is just essential oil blends that smells really absolutely good, and then solubilization in water. I didn't have to put this on the skin. Even though I choose to put it on the skin, it is still very okay because there are no toxic ingredients in it. But this was just meant for baby's outfit, like on the clothes. And when I used it on the clothes, I think my sister was the first to carry her when I used it. And she was like, did you spray something on this baby, or is this baby's smell? This is not baby smell. I said, yes, I sprayed this. This is majorly lavender based. And I said, yes, I sprayed. Have you forgotten that baby had a perfume spray? And they were like, oh, sorry. Oh. It smells really nice. It smells calm, cool. It's not shouting. It's not something that will choke the baby. It's not something, I don't know. But I really want some ladies, I really want some women to experience this whole thing. So yes, if in any way you are interested in this set, definitely let me know. I will make it available in any way that I can. I'm trying to see a platform, or if you know that you can actually, retail this product for us, especially if you are in Lagos, Nigeria, let me know in the comment section, because I am not ready to create a brand right now. I love things that are structured. So if I'm not going to really put this in structure, I don't think I'd want to do that, and that's not what I want to do right now. Yes, so just in case you would want to retail this, I would be willing to make supplies for you, especially in good quantities, because I would not want to go into the lab to make 1 bottle, 2 bottles, 3 bottles. Okay, so let me know if you are interested in that. But if however you just want one of this, just go to my YouTube channel and learn them by yourself. And while you learn them, please do not forget that we are the hub of raw materials, especially when you're looking for quality raw materials to make this product. You can check on us. We have everything that you need to make your own personal care product. So yeah, I made this product for my baby. So like I said, I have the moisturizer, I have the shower gel, I have the baby powder, I have the baby oil, I have the baby mist spray or toner, whatever you call it. I have the baby perfume spray, and I also have the baby balm. Now with all of this made, my baby does not have to use any market product for now. These were safely and carefully created for her, and it was a very beautiful thing. Everybody admired this skincare product, trust me. And if you're expecting a baby soon, I think you should create one of this for your baby. She's gonna like it. Even you're gonna be happy, you're gonna like it as well. And if not, and you feel like you want to make a purchase, maybe let's just see how we can talk about that in the comment section. I will be open to your replies. Also, let me know which of this product is your favorite and which one is what was actually worth going for. I know some people will be like, what's all this stress for? I'll just buy. I already gave you the reason why I actually made my product I'm buying from them. And all my kids, I have never bought skincare product. I can't remember using any skincare product for my children. It's either I am making black soap, yes, this children black soap for my babies, and using coconut oil afterwards till they are grown, or I am making a shower gel like this, or I'm making a body butter, maybe a carrot body butter, a mixture of coconut oil and all of that. I'm just making all of those things for my kids. I have never bought baby products, and trust me, see these small things that we use for the babies, they work way better than those store-bought stuff, except when they now have issues, like they now have eczema, they now have whatever. And you see this small thing, it's small but mighty. Eczema, baby rashes, newborn peeling, what is it called, baby psoriasis and all of that, all those small skin issues. See this small but mighty. This is just like your pseudo cream, exactly. Okay, so instead of getting pseudo cream, you can make this for yourself. If you cannot, pseudo cream is also very okay because it's totally is an anhydrous product, so it may not contain too much antioxidants, preservative and all of that. So yeah, it's a good to go product. But I have never, in fact, this is my first baby that I'm making a whole set for. The rest of them I just make simple products for them. So yeah, if you consider one of these, you can actually find a way around them, and let me know which one was worth it and which one was your favorite in the comment section. Adults can use this set of product because yeah, my older children are still using some of this product, like the lotion. They are using this lotion. The shower gel, I don't make shower gel for them because they are not able to manage them, especially for those of them that bathe themselves. So I kind of make more of bar soaps, like oatmeal bar soaps and goat's milk bar soaps. You know, those small bar soaps, they can actually use those bar soaps for a longer period of time. If you give them this one, they're just going to pour everything out, and the next year you're making another one. So I think for the lotion, yes, they are using the lotion, and that's it basically. So that will be the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed the series, and I hope that you're looking up and I hope that you're looking forward to the formulas on my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I'm going to be on here for a while. Make sure to follow, make sure to like this video, make sure to also share to your friends that are expecting and you know they would like this kind of things. Make sure to share this video to them so that you know they can make this for their babies or get one of this pack for them as well. So I'm going to see you in my next video, so I'll see you right there. For now, take care and bye. Ciao.